Ever feel overwhelmed by your to-do list? Or maybe you end up putting things off? You are in for a treat. Today, I want to share with you a simple but very powerful technique that will enable you to get things done quickly and at a higher level. Stick with me for more. I'm going to talk about the 45-15 Pomodoro Technique, and by the end of this video, you will understand and know how to really use it to make sure that you use your time wisely and make the best out of the 45 minutes, preventing burnout and making sure that the quality of your work is really at the high level. So what exactly is a Pomodoro technique? It's a simple but very powerful technique that makes sure that you are working focused and with an undivided attention on a single task for 45 minutes, taking 15 minutes of rest after that. This cycle, known as the Pomodoro Technique, on the one hand makes sure you are working in a focused way, you are motivated and stay motivated throughout the 45 minutes, and that you prevent burnout because after the 45 minutes of focused work, you have a 15-minute break. Now, let's break it down step by step. Step number 1. Choose a task. Start by selecting a task you want to work on. It can be anything from writing an article to studying for an exam or even writing a more demanding email. Step number 2. Set a timer. Set a timer for 45 minutes. Commit to giving your full undivided attention to the task for these 45 minutes. No distractions allowed. Step number 3. Work intensely for the whole 45 minutes period. Dive into your work with undivided attention to really get the most out of it. Avoid checking emails or social media, answering your phone. Stay focused for the whole 45 minutes. Step number 4. When the timer sets off, it's time to take a break. Take a 15-minute breather, do whatever relaxes you, go for a short walk, make a short exercise, grab a snack, listen to some music. Take this time to really relax and recharge your energy. Step number 5, repeat or switch tasks. If you have still something to work on your previous task, start another Pomodoro. If you have completed the task already, celebrate the wins and prepare for the new Pomodoro cycle. And there you have it. This was the 45-15 Pomodoro technique that will help you boost your productivity and focus on your work to make sure it is done at a quality level and in a very short period of time. I will drop a link below for some Pomodoro timers that you can find online. Maybe if you like this one, maybe you can choose another one. But the point is, it is actually a very simple but very powerful technique to help you get your things done quickly, easily, and at a very high quality. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more productivity tips to make sure that you will get a notification every time I post something new and you can learn with me. I'm cheering for you. Bye-bye.